Automatic penis pumps are the future of enhancement, offering better results with less effort. Let me show you how to use them for maximum gains. First, prep is key. Take a warm shower or use a heat wrap for 5–10 minutes to boost blood flow. Apply a water-based lubricant to your penis and the pump opening. Insert your semi-erect penis into the cylinder, ensuring the pump is flush against your body. Activate the automatic function to start the vacuum pressure. Begin with the lowest intensity setting and gradually increase as your tissues adapt over weeks. A session should last 10 to 15 minutes. Monitor your penis for healthy expansion. It should look larger and slightly reddish. If you feel pain or see purple discoloration, release pressure immediately. For best results, do 3–4 sessions weekly with rest days in between. Most see better erections in weeks, while size gains take 3–6 months. Automatic pumps offer precise pressure control and consistent vacuum maintenance, allowing you to relax and enhance blood flow. Remember, results come from repeated tissue expansion over time. With the right technique and consistency, automatic pumps can boost size, erection quality, and confidence.